Imagine this. You launch your first Facebook ad. You spend $100. You refresh Ads Manager every few minutes, expecting sales to start pouring in. 1 day passes. Nothing. 2 days. Still nothing. 3 days later. Your budget is gone. 0 sales. 0 leads. 0 return. You look at your screen and think, Facebook ads don't work. But here's the truth. Every single day, businesses generate millions of dollars using Facebook ads. Some brands spend hundreds of dollars a day. Others spend hundreds of thousands of dollars every single day. So if Facebook ads work so well, why do most advertisers lose money? Today, we're going to uncover the real reasons behind this mystery. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why most campaigns fail, and more importantly, how to avoid making the same expensive mistakes. Most beginners believe success comes from having a big advertising budget. They think, if I could spend $10,000 a month instead of $100, I'd finally get results. But that's rarely the real problem. I've seen businesses spend just $20 a day and generate profitable sales. I've also seen companies spend over $50,000 and lose money because their strategy was completely wrong. So here's the question. If budget isn't the biggest factor, what is? The answer might surprise you. Facebook doesn't reward the highest spender. It rewards the advertiser who understands people. Because Facebook ads are not just about technology. They're about psychology. Every click, every purchase, every scroll, every decision starts in the human mind. If your strategy ignores that, your campaign is already in trouble before it even launches. Let's imagine two businesses, Business A and Business B. Both sell the same product. Both have the same budget. Both use the same platform. Business A loses money. Business B doubles its investment. Why? Was it luck? Did Facebook secretly prefer one advertiser? Did one company have access to a hidden feature? No. The difference came from decisions made long before the ads went live. The audience they targeted. The creative they designed. The message they communicated. The offer they presented. The landing page they built. And perhaps the biggest mistake of all, the patience they didn't have. Many advertisers panic after just a few days. They pause campaigns, change audiences, replace creatives, restart everything, without realizing they're constantly interrupting Facebook's ability to learn and optimize. Imagine hiring a new employee and firing them after their first morning because they haven't made a sale yet. That sounds unreasonable. Yet thousands of advertisers do exactly that with their campaigns every day. When I first started learning performance marketing, I believed success was all about finding the perfect audience. I spent hours changing interests, testing age groups, trying different locations. Every time a campaign didn't perform immediately, I assumed something was broken. So I'd make another change, and another, and another. Looking back, I wasn't optimizing. I was guessing. Eventually, I realized something important. Marketing isn't about making random changes. It's about making informed decisions based on data. Once I started looking at metrics instead of emotions, everything changed. Instead of asking, "Why isn't this working?" I started asking, "What is the data trying to tell me?" That one shift completely changed how I approached advertising. Here's where most advertisers struggle. They think Facebook ads are simply about clicking the boost post button. But running profitable campaigns is much closer to solving a puzzle. Every piece matters. The audience, the creative, the copy, the offer, the landing page, the conversion experience. Remove just one piece, and the entire system becomes weaker. Imagine inviting hundreds of people into a beautiful store, only to discover the front door is locked. That's exactly what happens when your landing page doesn't match your ad, or when your offer isn't compelling enough, or when your creative fails to capture attention during the first 3 seconds. Facebook delivered the visitor, but your marketing failed to convert them. So far, we've learned something powerful. Facebook ads don't usually fail because of budget. They fail because of strategy. But strategy isn't just one mistake. It's a combination of small decisions that add up over time. In the next part of this video, we're going to uncover the 5 biggest mistakes advertisers make, and I'll show you why even experienced marketers still fall into these traps. One of these mistakes is responsible for wasting millions of advertising dollars every year, and once you see it, you'll never look at Facebook ads the same way again.